What is going on, YouTube? In today's video, we're going to be upgrading all the lights on the 2010 F-150. That is my plow truck for my property. We've been getting a lot of snow lately. I have like 2 feet of snow out there. And, you know, the factory lights are halogens. They're kind of crap. And we're going to upgrade the plow lights too, because the plow lights are also halogen. We're going to put some Lasfit LEDs in there. So when we plow, it'll light up the whole way. It's just going to be so much better. So let's see what we got. I'll show you guys how to install it. Let's check it out. All right, so this is my 2010 F-150. I bought it from a good friend of mine just to plow my property. As you can see here, a lot of snow. It's higher than the plow itself. So we've been getting a lot of snow lately. Finally, we got a little break where we can, you know, make some videos and be out here because it's been really cold. So on this video, I'm going to be upgrading all these lights here from halogen to LEDs. The only ones that I am going to upgrade to LED, but I'm going to use some no-name LEDs, is these two here, high beam and low beam, and I'll show you guys why. But other than that, everything else is going to be Lasfit. They're the leading company, and as far as LED goes, their products are all my cars. So yeah, we're going to install it, see how they look. All right, so here are the lights. We got low beam, high beam, and then we have fog lights, and then we have the markers. And again, I don't have the low beam and high beam for the plow because, as far as Lasfit brand, because they don't make one that's low profile like this. So I was forced to purchase LEDs of no name brand until Lasfit comes out with them. So usually Lasfit's bulbs will have a built-in fan to keep the bulb cool for a long life, and you know the aftermarket companies usually they'll have like this here with no fan, nothing. So these are just basic ones that don't last as long. But the housing on my plow was not made to be run, you know, to run any kind of bigger bulbs than normal. So once I take the housing off, I'll show you guys why I had to use the low profile bulbs. I did look at Lasfit's website. They do not have low profile bulbs, the ones that I need. So, but either way, we're gonna upgrade it from halogen just so we can see better while we're plowing. So as far as tools, all you need is a 10mm socket and a little push clip to remove the plastic clips, and the headlight comes out. So we'll pop the hood, and I'll show you guys how to take the lights out. All right, so when you open the hood, there's going to be a little rubber flap here that sits in front of it. There's going to be a little plastic clip here. You want to use the clip tool, remove the little plastic clip, fold this to the side, and then all you have to take out is 3 10mm screws, which is right here, or bolts. One on the top left, one on the top right, and one on this bracket here. Because I have a plow on this vehicle, I had to move this out of the way, but it's right there. So once you take out the 3, this light should just slide right out, and you have access to the back of the bulbs right here. All right, so we're going to replace the low beam, high beam, which is one bulb, should be at H13. So we'll plug this one here, and we'll see how the Lasfit one fits. So here's your H13. Very nicely packaged, as always. So you have the 2 bulbs and the 2 little boxes here. So we'll take one bulb and see how it fits. Keep in mind it is very cold right now, so this is a little stiff, but we should be able to get it done. Okay, clicked in, and then this here just plugs into your factory harness. And that's as simple as that. Then we're gonna do the side marker. This already has some cheap LED. We're gonna upgrade with good LED. So we're gonna do the amber Lasfit's. Is gonna be the T10 amber. Okay, so that should be good. These here, whatever way you put it in, they have no polarity. That's a good thing about Lasfit bulbs. So We'll test them out, but it should be good. Before we button up the headlight back to the vehicle, we'll test it out. I'll leave this out for now just so we have extra room. And then we're gonna do the blinker down here and the parking light. This bulb is pretty bad. Just be careful sometimes when you go to take a bulb out and you squeeze it too hard. I've had bulbs explode on your hand and you can get cut, so just pull it slow and be careful. Then for that, we're gonna use the 3157D, which is the switchbacks. And for the plow, we're gonna do just regular amber. We're not doing switchbacks for the plow, just so it's more visible. All right, so here's the bulb. Pop it in there. So we'll go up front right now. We'll turn all the lights on and just make sure that this works before we button it all up. Put this in. All right, let's go test it out. Don't forget, if you're gonna upgrade your fog lights also, before you put your headlight on, you can get a fog light right through here. So as you can see, I already put my hand in here and took it off. This should be an H10 bulb. So we have here the Lasfit H10s. So we're gonna throw them on and then we'll move on to doing the plow. All right, so that's all back together. You get a sticker. I have a perfect little place right here for a Lasfit sticker. There you go. All right, moving on to the plow, Boss HTX. This is the second generation lights. The third generation has LEDs. So basically, we're gonna take out these four stainless Allen screws here, and then the housing slides back. You're gonna have to cut the zip tie right here holding the harness to give slack for the bulbs. So once I take these off, I'll show you guys why the Lasfit bulbs wouldn't work. Using a number 3 Allen. All right, so now that the housing is loose, we're gonna cut that zip tie. Right, so you're gonna end up with this, and what you have to do is once you cut the zip tie, I want to show you guys from under here. You have to feed the wires up because as this comes out, it pulls on these wires here, the 3. So you have to make sure you have enough slack so that this will come out. And then you can access the 3 bulbs back here. And the reason why that Lasfit bulbs wouldn't work is because they like to make their bulbs last a long time, and they put a big cooling fan on the back. And because the back of the bulb hits the shroud, you wouldn't be able to put an upgrade bulb in here unless it's the same size as a regular halogen. So I couldn't find that they made one. Once they do, I will upgrade. But in the meantime, I wanted better lights than halogen, so I found some no-name bulbs that are low profile. They're about the same size as a regular bulb, no fan. 9005 and 9006. And I'll use these for now until I can get better quality ones in. All right, we'll start with the marker. Reach in there, counterclockwise. It's tight because of the wiring, but all I gotta do is unplug it first. Take this bulb. We have the Lasfit amber. Plug it in. We'll try it out to see if it works. If not, we'll rotate it. Some of their bulbs are polarity, some are not. All right, let's try it out. All right, so we're good. All right, so 9006 is going to be low beam, and 9005 is going to be for high beam. So they lied to me. I Googled what bulbs these take, so I only had to take it apart once. They said 9005, 9006, and 3157. Well, the high beam is an H9, so I don't know where Google got that from. But that's my fault. I should have taken it apart before I ordered it. But anyway, I did the low beam and the blinker and marker, so we'll test those out. You can see quite a bit of a difference from the dim to the white. So now I'm just gonna do that side and we're pretty much all done. All right, guys, so she's fully upgraded on the front. So turn the plow, so I can only turn the plow lights on or the truck lights on at once. There's a switch inside, so this is the plow lights. So again, high beam, I am gonna have to order the red bulb, which is an H9. So if you're watching this just for the plow, to upgrade your plow, and you have the same Boss HTX, it's gonna be an H9 and a 9006 for low beam, and then 3157 for your markers and your blinker. So now I'm gonna go in there and turn on the actual truck lights. So we'll come here, we'll switch it to truck, turn on all the lights and pull it for fog lights. So now it disables the plow lights and turns on truck lights. It's hard to tell in the video, but they're super bright white. Super nice. Very good upgrade. It's just a property truck. Turn the blinker on. This switch back, which is nice. All right, guys, the last step is crucial. You take all your bulbs or your halogens and you put them in a special place. In the trash where they belong. All right, I see how bright it's gonna be. Oh yeah, night and day. That is super bright. We'll do the high beam is still the old bulb. So as you can see there. Once I upgrade it to LED, it'll be nice and bright, but this is huge improvement for plowing. Super bright. Now we'll switch to the truck lights. So we'll hit the switch in the truck. These are the truck lights. The plow lights are off. As you can see, insane. All right, so now you guys know how to upgrade your lights on your 2010 F-150, or if you're looking to watch the video to upgrade your plow, now you won't make the same mistake as me as far as bulbs. LEDs are awesome. I only run Lasfit on all my stuff. I hate buying no-name brand bulbs unless I absolutely have to. Just because you replace them every 3 months, they just don't last. For my application, I decided to do it just because it's a plow vehicle and I don't use it that often. I only use it maybe five to 10 times a year. So if I have to buy bulbs every year until Lasfit releases a low profile version, I'm okay with that. But other than that, I don't use a vehicle that much to depend on it. I don't leave my property with it. Will be a coupon right here for you guys, Fabric Garage 20. That's gonna be for 20% off of the Lasfit website. You go there, you add bulbs 20% off right off the whole bill. So if you spend $1,000 in bulbs for you, your parents, your friends, it'll be $200 off right at checkout. So it's a free coupon. You can't beat it. Just go check them out. These bulbs are awesome. I run them on everything. They really last a long time. They're super bright. You cannot go wrong. You can go on Amazon and buy the cheaper ones, and you're gonna be buying them twice, I promise you. So I appreciate you guys watching. Stay tuned for more videos, and see you guys on the next one. Take care.